Hi guys, welcome back to GarageTech Automotive. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this 3-button Porsche key. So first thing you need to do is just get your fingernails underneath this part here, and then you can just prise it open very gently. It does come apart quite easy, so you don't need a lot of force. And then if you gently lift it up, and you may find that the buttons fall out, but I'll show you how to put those buttons back in a moment. So you can just put those to one side. And then you're left with this part. So this is the electronic part. You can just pull this out. This may come off when you pull the top off. Then just to show you what's inside there, so be careful not to touch any of that. And then you can see your batteries inside there. So it's a CR2032. And to get it out, you may just need a little flat blade screwdriver to help you. But if you pull back this little tab here, and then just gently lever it out with a screwdriver. See that? And just be careful when you're handling it not to touch the top and the bottom. So you can wear some gloves to do this if you wish. Again, that's the battery out. And then we can just, easy enough to put a new battery in. I'll just slide it in at this bottom corner first. And then just press it in. That's it. Then to put it all back together, put that center part back in, just gently. And then we need to put the buttons back in the top part. So you can see there, some of the buttons are falling out. So you turn it upside down, and you can see these bars in the middle. That's where then the button kind of hooks over. So you can see if you put it in bottom first there, and then push it down. I'll just show you that again. So you can see the bar there. Just hooking it over in those two little points there. And then the top button, it's got a little kind of clip at the top there. So that needs to just sit in inside there. So from this way again, putting it in like that. So you can see from that side, it's all nice and flush. So if you just keep that upside down, just makes it a bit easier when putting the other part on now. Just kind of line it up. I tend to go for the bottom part there first, press that in, and then gently press from the sides. And there you go, all done. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot, bye.